I'm going to show you guys how you can view your meal plan using my app. So all you want to do is open up the app and you want to go to your file. There are 5 icons on the bottom. There's a rocket ship, there's a calendar, there's a kettlebell, and there's a little, I want to say a star with a circle, and obviously a fork and knife icon. You want to click on the fork and knife icon and it's going to pop up your meal plan. From here, you want to click the button and click view. Now your meal plan is up and you'll be able to zoom in and zoom out. Just scroll down. The first page and second page will list your macros and your BMI. I will update your BMI if we're working on that. I'll also update your macros as we move along. The next pages will have your sample meal plans for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I also give you some great healthy snack options and an awesome grocery list. So that's it. That's your meal plan. If you have any questions, you know where to find me.